Hi guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how to claim your Pinterest website. So go to pinterest.com and go to the part where you claim a website. So when you're on the claim area, you put your website information like here. Just click claim, and then there's two ways to claim it. There's an add HTML tag or upload an HTML file. So here's both. You could do two ways: add a meta tag to your website or upload an HTML file. So just screenshot this or visit it if you need it, and then so click claim. We're gonna do it this way. So just we're just gonna copy this part, and then we're gonna click copy. We just need the code. We don't need the rest. So then we go to next. Okay, so before we do this, we'll go to our WordPress site. So go to WordPress. You need this plugin, your CEO. We're gonna do it through here. So then when you download that plugin, it's gonna give you CEO. Click on social, and then it's gonna come here. You can claim all your websites, but for Pinterest, click on Pinterest. And yeah, I tried it earlier, so that's why it's still here. So just paste the code and then click Save Changes. The Pinterest area, and then settings saved. So and then go back to Pinterest, submit for review, click submit. So they're gonna review it and we're checking your site. Will email you in the next 24 hours. So they're gonna email us and tell us if it is and it's not. But that's how you do it. And I'll show you the email right now. So the email came really fast, just under 15 minutes. And this is the email. So we're just gonna click view analytics, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Goodbye.